begin with, can you tell me your name and tell me what school you go to?
My name is Nguyễn Chung, and I'm now studying at the university's name Banking Academy.
Okay. For part one, I'm going to ask you questions about technology. What role does technology play in your daily life?
Well, in my opinion, technologies play a very important role in our life. As a student studying in coding fields, it affects us a lot about the work in our study life.
Okay. Do you think technology has improved communication?
Yes, absolutely. There are many social medias and social apps like messengers, Zellos, which can help us communicate from a far distance.
Okay. Are there any negative effects of technology that you have experienced?
Well, in my opinion, there are some disadvantages when using the social apps, websites like Facebook that you can affect by many disadvantage information from Facebook, and your mind will be badly about that.
What new technologies are you excited about?
I really excited about the technologies that can help us transform the dirty waters into the drinking waters. That can help many people from the countryside have a long life.
Okay. Here is your question for part two. Please write on your paper. You will have 1 minute to prepare your answer. Okay, go ahead.
Well, then I would like to start with modern motorbikes, which I have bought about years ago. It's the motorbike of average range, which is very popular in our countries. It is the most modern one, which have which have a variety of functions, like an automatic keys that can help you in the forwarding problems, or the locating systems that can guide you to many locations you don't know. About years ago, when I would studies for the driving license, my father bought it for me. When the first time I drove it, I was careless and inexperienced, so I rode it directly to the trees, and broke the front. Fortunately, I have the insurance, but my legs is badly injured, so I have to rest for a month. Overall, I have it's a very modern and modern motorbikes, and I have very fun experience with it.
Okay. How do you think technology will change in the next 10 years?
Well, in my opinions, technologies will more and more improve in the futures. It can solve us many social problems that we have.
Okay. What challenges do you think society will face with advancements in technology?
Well, mostly for the old people, I think most of them can catch up with the modern technologies. They don't have the experience and enough knowledge to use it, so they have to. So the young people have to help them to catch up with it.
Okay. In your opinion, do you think people rely too much on technology? Why or why not?
In my opinion, people nowadays is pretty reliable for the modern technologies, because for example, like the ChatGPTs, for some students, they often use them to finish the homework or the group studies. So they won't have the experience that they need before going to work.
Okay, well done. Thank you.
If